Well, while you're spending more time at home, we really hope that you've been flipping through those pages of Denver Life magazine. The April issue is out and it's here, full of good food and inspiration that you can take right into your kitchen. Let's take a peek into the pages of this month's issue with editor Carrie Lee Brown.
Hi Amelia, hi Colorado and company and crew. My name is Carrie Lee Brown and thank you so much for having me on the show today. I snuck into the office today because everyone is working remote the last few weeks and the next few weeks moving forward. But I just had to come in because guess what? On my desk was our new food issue, the April issue of Denver Life magazine. So excited about this because we've worked so hard to get this, and print, this is what we love. We're magazine editors and designers, and gosh, to get this in our hand means so much to us. But I wanted to share a couple of the things that we featured in our new issue because it's just hitting the newsstands right now. And if you haven't got yours already, if you're not a subscriber, you can go to Safeway or to King Soopers, or you can download yours off of Zinio.com or subscribe on DenverLifeMagazine.com as well. But a little bit about the issue, because I'm really excited about this one. It's all about one of my favorite things, food. We actually featured breakfast on the cover. Look at those pancakes. I mean, you can't go wrong, right? Especially with the kids at home. Who doesn't love breakfast for dinner? Me, for sure. With 2 boys at home, believe me, we do it all the time just to get through the day. And with kids home right now, it's something easy that you can just do in a pinch. In this issue, I would love you to check it out if you can. We do chef recipes, or recipes you can do at home as well as chef interviews. We also have tons of other things like our favorite staff picks of the sauces and salsas and everything that we love that's been sent to us so we could try it and just give it right back to you as our recommendations. They're in this as well. We also have easy recipes for you to make breakfast and brunch at home. We really hope you check these out. They're all at the back of our feature, of our main feature in the food section, because then you can even tear these sheets out and pin it to your fridge if you want to, and you can look at them anytime you want if you want a new recipe. But they're really easy, simple ingredients. We also have handy gadgets for the kitchen that you may not have thought of. Pretty new and pretty cool ones, and kind of inexpensive as well. So you want to check those out as well. And not only that, we have different restaurant profiles. Now the restaurants are closed right now, unfortunately, but all the recipes we have in here come from these amazing restaurants that they specialize in breakfast and in brunch. And we really hope you check those out. Not only that, we also do, oh my goodness, everything from the arts, and we have some travel. We have the best places in Colorado to pick up brunch cocktails, which is always amazing, and we have style and fashion. We really cover it all at Denver Life magazine. We're a luxury lifestyle magazine, Colorado's leading magazine in that area, and we really try to bring it all to you. Let's see what else here. While I flip through our new issue, I'm so excited to pick this up. And oh, look at this. We even have Pleasing a Picky Eater. These are great tips from an executive chef here in Denver to help you please your picky eaters at home, because believe me, we all have them, don't we? To make sure they get healthy foods in snacks and recipes that are easy to make for the kids at home. And we also have fun stuff too. We have really cool fashion and style that's food themed, and like purses or clutches or little even card wallets and holders and things like that. Really cool. Some are upscale, but you can find them at Nordstrom Park Meadows and Cherry Creek, of course, when they open up again. So we're really excited about that. I also want to tell you something that is really special about our April issue. Outside of all the yummy food, the yummy breakfast recipes, the gadgets, the style, the travel, everything else that I've already talked about, I want to also mention that we just started a new health and wellness column in this very issue. It'll be in every single issue of Denver Life magazine. I've only been with Denver Life magazine for a few months, but I do have a big background in journalism and media. Almost 2 decades working in the health and wellness and fitness arena, actually in consumer magazines. So I thought it was really important to bring wellness to Denver Life magazine. We all love it. That's why we live here in Denver, in Colorado in general. You can't get enough of the beautiful outdoors, the hiking, the the mountain biking, the running around, the doing yoga at Red Rocks. There's so much to do here in our beautiful landscape. So in this very issue, check out our new wellness column. And I would love to hear from you actually, if you have any ideas for the wellness column or anything else that we actually have in this issue. I'd really appreciate it. You can always contact me through the magazine. Okay, thanks again, Amelia and Colorado and Company, for having me on today. Just so excited about this, and I better get out of here because I got to get back to the house now that this working from home is kind of in place. But I really wanted to check this out and show you. And again, if you want to subscribe, you can go to denverlifemagazine.com or download at zinio.com or pick up your copy now that it's April, spring, at Safeway and King Soopers on the newsstand. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much. We'll talk to you soon.
Oh, thanks so much. You can pick up April's issue of Denver Life magazine and get inspired to try something new during your time at home. Tag us in your creations with hashtag #BeOnCoco. Also subscribe to Denver Life magazine at denverlifemagazine.com.